Good morning children. So today we are going to continue with the community games lesson. So now I have already told you about the community games that are played in our community, the people around us. So like I said in the previous lesson, we cannot just categorize a certain people as community. Okay, we can say that community is wide. Okay, so when we look around, we can find so many number of communities. Okay, so now we are going to see international games. International games means the games that is played between countries. For example, India and Pakistan, a game played between two countries or international games, and a game played between two states or national games. Okay, so what is the purpose of playing international and national games first? First, national games. National games and international games are basically played to improve the relationship between two countries or two states. Okay, we know that two countries or two states, they trade each other goods, right? They trade, for example, from China to India we import products, and from India to China we are importing certain products. Yes, right. So to improve those kind of relationships, the games play an important role in energizing the relationship between two countries. Okay, so now first we are going to list down some of the games that are played in international level. Okay, international games. So if you ask somebody elder than you, or if you go googling it, you can find many number of international games. So I am going to list some 5 international games. Okay, first one is cricket. I know everyone knows that cricket is an international game and most of the people likes it. Okay, second one, football. Third one, basketball. Then fourth one, badminton. Then hockey. So these are an example for international games. If you go googling it, you can find more number of games like this. Okay, so next one, you know now why international games are played and what are the international games. International games are played to improve the relationship between two countries, and some games are cricket, football, basketball, badminton and hockey. Now, so we have learned about normal community games that we play in our surroundings. Then we learned about international games. Now they have given you some pictures. Okay, so we are going to look at the pictures and find out what they are doing. They have given you some names below. We have to match them with the pictures. Okay, so first one, here you can see that people are climbing mountains, right? So this is called as mountaineering. Okay, first one is mountaineering. Second one, you can see here that people are jumping from flight, right? They are jumping from a running plane. So this is called skydiving. And third one, you can see people are flowing in the rivers. So this is river rafting. Fourth one, here you can see that people are cycling in mountains. So mountain cycling. The last picture you can see that people are climbing around rock, right? So fifth one is rock climbing. So when you looked at that picture, some pictures made you excited, right? You, after seeing that picture, you might have thought that you want to do that, right? So those kind of games, some excites you, right? They excites you more than normal game does, right? But some games, if you see that, you will find it really scary. You will be scared to do that, right? So those type of games are adventurous games. That games excites you. It makes you want to do it, right? So when you fall from a plane, running plane, that you will feel excited for so long, because it will be a long journey, right? Then when you come to earth, you will feel your heart pumping faster, right? Yes or no? So those kind of games which excites you more throughout the game or adventurous game. So the next we are going to see is adventurous games. In adventurous games, you can always find excitement, you can always feel enthusiastic to play this throughout the game. But it is sometimes dangerous, because when you are falling from a plane, sometimes something may go wrong. So you have to be very careful and precautions should be taken before you do that. Okay. So now there are some precautions that they have given before you do such kind of games. So what are they? We'll see. Should not participate in such games without proper training and guidance. Okay. So before you participate in games, you should get training for months. Okay. And then proper guidelines. You should read the proper guidelines how you should act throughout the games. Okay. Second one, before participating in such games, all the necessary special equipments have to be proceed and required skills have to be developed. Okay, you have to train. That is what they are telling. You have to train, and the suits they will give, it will protect you. So you have to wear the suits properly and then train properly. After then only you should go for such kind of games. Then have to behave with a lot of patience and responsibility. Situations will have to be handled with competence, which means, see, you should be patient throughout the games. Okay, you should be stable. You should know that this is what the game is and this is how you should react, and you should go along with people. Okay, you should fight with competence. Okay, next. Must prepare well ahead and gain sufficient experience to face the threat, harm and danger of such adventurous games by practicing well to face the challenges. Like I said, practicing it before months, trainings, practicing, patience, everything is important. Then the last one is, should participate in the game with cooperation of the team. Okay, so you cannot just, if you are going in a mountain, you cannot just leave your friends and go. Okay, you should go along with them. Understood? So these are the important things that you should follow while you are doing adventurous games. Okay, so next we are going to see what kind of games or what kind of things they do in certain regions. Okay, so as you learned before, a region is also considered as community, right? So we are going to see what are the community games they have in separate regions. Okay, so first one, they have given you some pictures. We are going to find out what the pictures is. So first one, you can see that a person is lifting a stone. So first one, stone lifting. Stone lifting is something, it will have a big stone and it will be heavy, and people will lift it to show their strength. Okay, so the second one will be Dahi Handi. Dahi Handi. This is the game in which people will eat pot. That pot will have some prize or some gift in it. Okay, people will eat it. Whoever eat it will get the prize. Okay, they won't just keep it the pot as still. Okay, the pot will be moving. While moving, you have to close your eyes and then eat the pot rightly. If you eat the pot rightly, you will get a prize. That is what they do in Dahi Handi. Okay, second one. Third one, tug of war. In this game, two set of people will arrange themselves or sort themselves into two parts. Okay, one group will pull the rope from that side towards them, and the other people will see, for example, this is the rope, and a group of people will stand here and pull the rope towards them, and some people from here, a group of people from here will pull to this side. Okay, and there will be a line here. Whichever group crosses this line, they see, if this group crosses this line, then this group will win. Okay, that is what a tug of war is. So next one is Gusti. In this, there will be a circle. Inside of that, two people are allowed to fight. Okay, they need to push the other person out of the ring. Okay, if the other person goes out, the person inside the ring will win. Okay, so that is what Gusti is. Next one. Malakanda. This is a game in which people do gymnastics. Okay, in this certain group of people, for example 10 people, they will arrange themselves in a triangle. For example, they will make arrange of themselves as a triangle, or like this. They will stand on top of each other. Okay, and do gymnastics. And the last one is boat racing. You can see, right, a group of people will be in one boat and the group of people in some other boats, and they will race each other to win the prize. Okay, these are the games, community region games that we can find throughout India. Okay, so now we are going to write some games. For example, in your community you can find any one of the games, right? You can write the game's name and then how they are done. For example, you can say what game you can take. We can take from one, stone lifting. In this stone lifting games, certain people will be selected. Okay, so certain people, they are allowed to stand in front of whole village. For example, if this is happening in a village, so that group of people will stand in front of all the villagers, and they will be given almost equal amount of weighted stones, and they have to lift it from this place to that place. Okay, so that is what the summary of the game is. So you have to write the topic of the name and then procedure, how the game is done. Okay, in given space in your book. Okay, that will be your homework. So here, what is your homework? You have to find a game in your region or in your community and write the name of the game, and then down that you have to write the procedure of the game, how it is played, what are the rules and regulations in the given column, in the given space. Now they have given you, do you know this? Because these are all maybe not asked in exam, but these are all general knowledge and you should know it. The highest peak in the world is Mount Everest, was first climbed by Edmund Hillary and Ensing Norgay. Okay, Edmund Hillary and Ensing Norgay They climbed the Mount Everest, world's tallest, highest mountain for the first time. Then Bajendri Paul was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Okay, Bajendri Paul. Next one, native adventure games reflect our culture, but they are being overshadowed by the advent of new technologies like TV and the internet. So when it comes to TV and internet, we prefer playing in TV and internet, right? So those kind of religious games comes to internet. So what we will do? We won't play it in the real life. We will come to internet playing in online, right? We should not do that. We should follow our culture, heritage throughout this our lifetime. Okay, next one. Wrestling is a sport game which had gained prominence right from the time of Maharaja of Mysore. Even to this day, it has remained a part of Dasra games. Okay, so wrestling is had a importance from the time of Maharaja of Mysore till now. Till during Dasra, they are playing wrestling. Okay, next one. Cycling, swimming, brisk walking and yoga are some very good exercise. This helps to improve one's health. So you have, see, yoga, walking and swimming, cycling, these are all good exercises. You don't have to do separate exercises if you do them daily. Okay, so follow them in your life. See you in the next class. Bye.